All right, let's do an example here where we're calculating the cost of goods manufactured and the cost of goods sold section of the income statement. So we've been given some basic data for ABC Manufacturing Company here. And to start our cost of goods manufactured, we always start with beginning work in process. This is what we have right here. Beginning work in process. And then we're going to add to that, so we start with our beginning work in process, so we'll say beginning WIP, and then we're going to add to that our direct materials plus the direct labor plus our manufacturing overhead, subtract ending WIP, and that equals our cost of goods manufactured. Now cost of goods sold, on the other hand, is a little bit easier. And that starts with your beginning finished goods inventory. Excuse me. Beginning finished goods inventory plus the cost of goods manufactured that we just calculated minus our ending finished goods, and that equals cost of goods sold. So let's see how that all plays out here. So rather than writing it all out for you in my rather sloppy handwriting, I've got the solutions here, and I'll walk you through how we get there. So we start with the beginning work in process, which is right here, and that is $12. And then we have to calculate the direct materials portion of that. So we have beginning raw materials, which is up here at the top, $5. To that, we're going to add purchases of raw materials, which were $25. And once we add those two together, we get raw materials available for use, which is $30. Then we subtract ending raw materials, which was up here at the top, $7. And again, if we then take the 30 minus the 7, that tells me my direct materials used, which was $23. Now direct labor and manufacturing overhead are given to us at 36 and 17. So we just take all three of those and we add them together. And that gives us our total manufacturing costs incurred during the year of $76. Now we take the $12 and the $76 and we add those two together. And that gives us our total manufacturing cost to account for. Subtract our ending work in process, which is given to us up here, ending work in process, $16. And that gives us ultimately our cost of goods manufactured of $72. Okay, so remember that $72 cost of goods manufactured, because we're going to need that now when we move on and we do our cost of goods sold. Same information, start with the beginning finished goods inventory. Well, beginning finished goods inventory is given to us right here, $8. So we just carry that on down then. So beginning finished goods inventory is $8. Cost of goods manufactured from our cost of goods manufactured schedule was $72. Add those two together and we get cost of goods available for sale is $80. Then subtract our ending finished goods inventory, which is why that's a negative, and that is given to us right here, and that gives us cost of goods sold of $74. So cost of goods sold was $74, cost of goods manufactured during the period was $72. So we actually manufactured $72 worth of materials, but we sold $74, so we had some in inventory previously. Thank you.